In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Sounds and Vibration. Then hit Vibration over here, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you've finished, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone here, and tap on Vibration section under SIM 1 or SIM 2 to adjust it. You can tap on Standard Vibration Pattern, select None, or apply one of those by clicking on the best one for you. Go back again, click on Notification Tone and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Last but not least, after going back this time, you need to scroll all the way down and hit More Settings at the bottom. Then tap on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable this option, and this one next to System Haptics to turn on or off vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!